peoples. We are in the Supra, as you can hear. Vade, it's been too long, man.
It's been a while.
It's been too long. So, we've got Juan in his 570S with his kid. It's hilarious. His kid, he's 5 years old, knows everything up there is to know about cars and knows airplanes as well. And then his buddy, I think at business, I don't know if they're, I think it's friends that are in the adjacent Urus. That's also that crazy green, matching twins. And then Melanie's in the C8. I think this is my first time in this car, right? Like filming.
Filming, yes.
Look at this fucking guy, bro.
I mean, he's in the right.
I mean, I know, man, but come on, dude. Use the fucking sidewalk. You got a 1,000 horsepower Supra behind you, just itching. Yeah, he's good people, man.
Where was I? I was downtown on, I want to say Monday night.
Right?
Yeah, on Monday night I was going home, and there was about what's this car behind me? The McLaren.
The McLaren. Mm-hmm.
There was like 2 or 3 McLarens, 3 Porsches, a couple Corvettes, and we're all heading back from the beach.
Oh,
and I jumped in them with my Tesla with them, and man, they were hauling ass. I was with them.
You were with the Tesla?
I was with the Tesla. I
Oh
was with the Porsche.
God.
We were sticking right with them, man, all the way till Turnpike.
That's awesome.
We were hauling ass, man.
Well, that's how it is.
The average speed.
Yeah, that's how exactly. That's awesome. You know how we do it. It's good recruits right there. Here, I'm just gonna go back a little bit. I'm not in your point of view. I told Juan's son, I'm like, yeah, the turbos is bigger than your head. He's like, what? I'm like, yes, that exists. A better way of doing it. They've remodeled the entire freeway. Should be a little, traffic flows a little better through here. Oh dude, we gotta put a mic up there, man. Fuck.
To hear the turbo.
Next time I'll bring the mics out. It was just, since it was so quick, I'm like, I brought all my equipment, but the mics I left, I was like, fuck it. Because that
to the beach. And
yeah,
we're at the beach.
Yeah, we'll stop. So so we'll go all the way to like Ocean, And you know where that sign that's closed there?
Yeah.
We'll see if we can just kind of hang out there for a little bit. I'll see if I can just move it. We'll go through that little parking area. We'll kind of stop for a second, take some cool pictures. And then I was thinking we can, well, what I'll do is, right now we're gonna get some like good static shots and like driving shots from inside.